point layer overlays individual locations onto a map, representing them with shapes such as circles or triangles. The size of the points in your layer can either be fixed to a single size or sized using the values from a measure or expression. You can highlight differences in values further by coloring by measure. Drag a map chart onto your sheet. From Layers in the Properties panel, click Add Layer and select Point Layer. In Dimensions, click Add and select a field containing point data to use as the dimension. In this example, we'll select the field City. Once the layer is added, you can adjust settings for the layer in the Properties panel. For example, in the Size and Shape tab, you can modify the point size by using the sales measure. You can also change the shape of your points from the Shape drop-down menu. Next, in Colors, color your map by measure and select the measure Sales. Your points will then be colored according to their sales value. And that concludes this video. Thanks for watching.